What are my top 3 tips for an amazing open house? Really simple and easy. First, plan. Second, execute. And third, follow up. In the planning, this is where your open house is going to win or lose. You want to take the time to make sure that every detail is covered in the planning process. Execution. This is what separates you from the average open house. You have that plan in place. Now it's showtime. Follow up. Make sure that everything that you've done isn't lost at this phase. You want to reach out to those who came to your open house and even the seller to tell them what you did with lots of video, reviews, and feedback from those who attended. So my top 3 tips: plan, execute, and follow up, and you'll have an amazing open house.